Welcome. If you want to change the display refresh rate in your Xiaomi Redmi K30S, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down and find display, click on the refresh rate, and right now we are able to go for the 60 Hz. When we are going to save battery, we can go for the 90 Hz. We get, this smooth animation, and we can also go for the highest refresh rate, the 144, and here we get the most smoothest animation that you can get on the smartphone. So you have to choose your favorite. I will go for the 90, and after that you can just simply go back. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.